62 natin guys is our kitchen rack. Okay, so laminated marble yung design na to Ito, May 62. Nasa shop po yan, Ma'am Maytot. Nasa shop po yan. Okay, so ito guys, number 62. Laminated marble yung design na. Hindi po siya real marble yung design niya. Okay, metal stand po siya. Yung alin? Ayun. Okay, so ito guys, no? Ano po siya? Ang tawag na to, metal stand. Okay, metal stand po yan guys, sa laminated marble design. Na easy to burn yan guys ha. Sa waterproof, moist-proof, and easy to burn. We have 3 layers. Pwede yung tanggalin yung 2 layers yan guys. 2 layers. Check out nyo na to guys sa number 62. Okay, so switch hose po muna tayo guys ha.
Smooth edge.